This is the Blackberry Curve 8900, and in this video we're going to show you how to take apart the phone in case you need to make any repairs. First, remove the SIM card, the battery and the back cover from the phone. Using a safe pry tool, run this along the gap between the phone and the small back cover as being shown here in the video to remove the small back cover from the bottom of the phone. Once the clips have been released, you can remove the cover. Once the cover has been removed, using a T6 Torx screwdriver, remove the 6 screws as being shown here in the video. Once the screws have been removed, you should just be able to remove the back layer from the phone as being shown here in the video. Flip the phone over and remove the top piece from the phone. This should be able to be easily removed as well now the screws have been taken out. Next, we need to release the 4 clips as being shown here now in the video, 2 on each side. Unhook the 4 clips using a safe pry tool as being shown here in the video. Once all the 4 clips have been released, you should just be able to release the front cover from the phone. Next, we need to release the pop connector ribbon from the motherboard. Using the safe pry tool, just gently lift this up and then move the pop cable to the side. Then, still using the safe pry tool, pop up the antennae cable and then move this to the side also. Once the cables have been released, you can then gently lift the motherboard as being shown here in the video. Be careful as it is still connected by 3 ribbon cables. We need to remove the pop connector on the ribbon cable to the left, as this is the cable for the LCD screen. Do this again using the safe pry tool. Once the ribbons have been removed, turn the phone over and then using the safe pry tool, gently lift up the LCD screen. This is held in place by a small bit of glue. We've already released the ribbon cable for the LCD, so this just needs to be wriggled clear. You can now replace the screen.